Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today is a huge day in the credit card industry, especially for Chase Bank. If you thought Chase was difficult before, things may actually be on on the lighter side, at least a little bit, right? If you haven't heard, Chase has now partnered with Instacart to come out with a credit card, but not just Instacart. They are working on, being one of the top options for DoorDash as well. DoorDash has not made a final decision, but they plan on doing so in the upcoming weeks here. With that said, with Instacart, they're going to be offering 5% cash back every time you use the Instacart service, of course, and it will be Instacart's own credit card, of course, powered by Chase Bank. They've already made their announcement and they plan on releasing the card early next year. So we'll keep an eye on that and what the requirements are going to be and things of that sort. The reason why Chase is essentially looking for alternatives is mainly because just like in all the rest of the big banks that are out there, they normally go with travel, hotel, airlines. And as we know, that's been on a sharp decline because of obviously COVID-19. That said, they're looking at other avenues that may potentially, go into times that we really can't see now, but life after COVID-19, right? And because of that, you've had services like Instacart, DoorDash, and of course the other brands that have been out there like Grubhub and Uber Eats has been doing that thing for years. But they're trying to go into a bigger marketplace. But you all know Chase. Chase usually has a certain income level. They're looking for a certain credit level most of the time. So we don't know how that's going to play in their customer base. And DoorDash is trying to make the decision if that's the best route that they want to go, because they don't want to make it seem like that they only work with a certain type of clientele. So they got a few banks that are looking to provide the funding for this particular credit card, and we'll see how things go. But you know how things go, right? It's always the early parts of this because as we know, when COVID is over, is that going to be a good investment for Chase Bank? Yes. I do think that there's going to be a decline in people using the services that we're using right now. Like, let's be honest, no one's going to be ordering as much from Amazon as if your favorite artist is now doing a concert. No one's going to be ordering, or shopping as much as they used to, once they feel comfortable to travel again. So a lot of people are just not sure what to do with their extra money. So there only a few industries are winning. We kind of talked about this before, so I don't know if it's a rash decision, but it's most definitely a great one just because for the future. But I do think that they most definitely should consider. I'm not a bank, of course. This is their money, so but at the same time, we all know there's going to be a sharp decline for sure. But you did introduce a lot of these services like Instacart makes perfect sense because, honestly, after COVID, people are still going to be using Instacart just like they will be using DoorDash. But DoorDash has a lot more competition than I would think Instacart would, right? But of course, we'll see how this all plays out. Of course, I wish the companies the best, but I wish that I'm just hoping that they make the pre-approval process easy. At least give us a soft pull. At least give us let us know if we're pre-approved. Because let's be honest, we all hate hard inquiries, right? Just make this process a lot easier for us. But of course, we'll see if they're looking for any other banks to step in. Some that are a little bit more flexible, but who knows? This may be a better look for Chase to show, hey, we are open to other avenues, so for a new clientele. So we'll see how this plays out. So if you like this video, like it, want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content on the way. Be sure to leave your comments below. Let me know you guys' thoughts on this, and we will see you all on the next video. Have a good one.